This is just a random video of the internals of a window regulator switch. This is for a Toyota Z20 soarer. If your window regulator isn't working, this is probably why you're looking at it. So just basically, if the panel that came off, two clips holding it in, top and bottom. You have the switch itself. There's the internals of it. Be super careful when you're taking this apart, because obviously when you break it, it's broke. So the problem is there are the 4 contact points. This one here was dirty and the opposite corner one was dirty. So I just gave them a quick clean. I just scraped them with a screwdriver, basically, nothing fancy. And there are the 2 little rocker switches as well. They were a little bit corroded as well. You'll see them when you take it apart. They'll be black, obviously preventing the contact on the switch. So just to put it back together, I'll try to do it with one hand. So it's this side down. Same with this one. This side down. They just drop in like so. So you can see where they're making contact with the switch itself, up and down. So carefully just put it back together. I'm going to have to pause this for a second. Just be careful, this is spring loaded in here as well. That's a little spring in there and that just rocks on the center when you toggle it up and down. So I haven't clicked it together, I just put it back into place. When I was taking this apart, it's very easy to break that plastic. I stuffed in 3 bits of bank card down into this space here. I shoved in 2 pieces of folded over bank card and another piece then just to free up the clip, and the same on this side. I just stuffed, rather than trying to lever it out, I just stuffed in a few pieces of bank card, just enough to separate the black piece of plastic from the white, and then I could pull it out of the socket. I didn't do any damage to the clip, thankfully, so I should be able to just click this back together. Perfect. Sounds good. And just the reverse, put that back into that, and then back into the door card. I'll just throw it together and let's just see, does it work. So my window would go up, it just wouldn't go down. So at the moment the truth, door switch is back in. As it came out. Perfect. So like I said, the window wouldn't go down, it would only go up. That's it. Best of luck.